If you are looking for the best drill bit sharpener, here's a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular, Drill Doctor 500X. The 500X is perfect for serious do-it-yourself hobbyists and professional users who need to sharpen bits frequently. The 500X is built tough and sharpens drill bits to 118 or 135 degree point angles. The 500X sharpens carbide, cobalt, and masonry bits with ease. It weighs 4.2 pounds. Because of its heavier weight, the 500X has a more solid feel to it. The point angle shuttle is made of a cast aluminum, which also attributes to this model's durability. The diamond sharpening wheel is designed to keep its shape during its lifespan. Number 2. Woodstock D4144 Drill Sharpener. If you have a bench grinder with a side wheel, this will help you get a lot more use out of your drill bits. It is suitable for 1/8 to 3/4 inch bits. The D4144 can easily be adjusted to accommodate various drill point angles and can sharpen bits from 1/8 to 3/4 inches. This weighs only 1.35 pounds, which is great considering it's usually attached to your bench grinder. It's durable and reliable, and able to fit in the palm of your hands. Number 3. Multi-Sharp 2001. The Multi-Sharp ATT 2001 dual-purpose sharpener will automatically sharpen high-speed steel masonry bits and brad center point bits. Its lightweight yet sturdy grinding jig has all the angles for correct tip geometry built in. It positions each type of bit over the wheels to give the correct tip and relief angles. This tool is a jig sharpener only and is used in conjunction with an electric drill. It is small and lightweight at only 11.4 ounces and can easily be held in one hand. This product is sent out in a strong plain box. Number 4. Neiko 10170A. The Neiko 10170A is a double-headed sharpening system that allows you to extend the life of all your favorite and most useful bits. This is an electric sharpener, and so you don't need to attach it to any drilling or guiding machines. It's lightweight and compact at 4.42 pounds. This Neiko model can sharpen both carbon steel and high-speed steel bits. It can be adjusted between twist bits and split point bits. The sharpener is housed in high-impact plastic, which makes it durable. Number 5. Drill Bit Sharpener Tormek DBS22. The design of the Tormek bit drill sharpener uses modern water-cooled system. It comes with 4 facet points that bring your chisel edge tip that does not work with straight or round holes with close tolerances. Besides, this machine always delivers equal 2 cutting edges that work by symmetrically sharpening for perfect unison. It operates by a water-cooled system and symmetrically sharpens your drill bits. You can also grind all point angles ranging from 90 to 150 degrees. It's a stable and appealing drill bit holder.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.